Hey, welcome back. Today's topic is something that you have to master for safe and reliable SEO, anchor text and how to create a natural, penalty-free anchor text profile. So let's get going. One of the biggest red flags in link building that can lead to your links being ignored by Google or even lead to penalties in extremes is an unnatural anchor text distribution. Today, we're going to cover the different types of anchor text and how you can use them to build a natural anchor text profile that helps your site rank without risking penalties. So, what is anchor text? Simply put, anchor text is the visible, clickable text in a hyperlink. It's usually styled differently, often underlined or in a different color to stand out. In HTML, it looks something like this. Sometimes it's referred to as rich anchor text when it's optimized effectively, though that is a bit old-timey. Anchor text serves a dual purpose. It gives users an idea of what to expect when they click a link, and it helps Google understand the topic of the linked page. When used well, anchor text can help both users and search engines make sense of your content. There are three main types of links where you'll see anchor text. Internal links. Links from one page on your website to another page on the same site. External links. Links from your site to an external website. Inbound links. Links from another website back to yours. Now that we know where anchor text appears, let's talk about the types of anchor text. Exact match anchor text, where the anchor text is the exact keyword that you want to rank for, like link building, linking to a page about link building. Partial match anchor text, which includes the target keyword along with some additional words, like link building strategies. Branded anchor text, using just your brand name, like FATJOE. Naked URLs, where the link is simply the URL itself, like fatjoe.com. Generic phrases. Phrases like click here, visit this page, or read more. Image anchor text, when an image is used as a link and Google reads the alt text of that image as the anchor text. Title anchor text, the title of the linked page itself, like what are backlinks and how to get them. So, why does anchor text matter in SEO? Google uses anchor text to understand the content and relevance of linked pages. It's not just about getting the words right, it's about building trust and relevancy. In the early days, it was enough to pack links with exact match keywords to rank. But initially, with Google's BERT update, and then every update since, Google uses natural language processing to process pages, and context around anchor text has become even more important. Google now considers the surrounding words and sentences for better context, meaning exact match anchors are no longer the golden ticket to SEO success. In fact, exact match anchor text should actually be a tiny fraction of your profile. Overloading with exact matches signals spam and can lead to links being ignored, Google's preferred way of dealing with dodgy links, or even penalties for the worst offenders, since a truly natural link profile would rarely include so many exact matches. Now you might be asking, oh, how can I rank without using tons of exact match anchor text? Here are 4 tips to help. Anchor text ratio. Aim for a mix. Branded anchors should make up the bulk of your profile, followed by naked URLs and generic phrases. Keyword-rich anchors should only be a tiny percentage. Build gradually. Avoid using the same anchor text repeatedly in a short time frame. Spread out exact match anchors and keep them for the highest quality opportunities. Optimize on-site. You can still incorporate keywords naturally across your site in ways other than just anchor text. Use keywords in page URLs, naturally within the content, or in navigation menus to give Google the right signals once they follow the links to your page, whether or not they happen to have used the anchor text that you'd otherwise hope for. Use cooccurrence keywords. Place keywords near, but not directly in, your anchor text. For example, if you're linking to FATJOE for digital PR services, you could say, for digital PR, check out fatjoe.com, with the link sitting on just the final bits. This helps send signals without stuffing keywords directly into your anchor text. One last thing, don't get too fixated on anchor text. It's just one part of a larger SEO strategy. Factors like high quality content and backlinks still weigh more heavily in ranking. So even if you get your anchor text distribution perfect, you'll need to focus on content quality and link building to really see results. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other videos and even our helpful blog posts. We've even got a full post version of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our updates. See you for the next video.